keep increasing the level. Okay, and do not be in so much hurry that I have to complete the portions by, in 2 days I have to complete the chapter. Please understand, every chapter in 11th grade is so bulky, it needs sufficient time, at least 10 days. Suppose you are preparing basic concepts of chemistry, it needs 10 days. If you want to achieve level 3 perfection, okay, you have to, complete every day at least 30-40 questions, the numericals in physics and chemistry. In biology, continuous revision. Okay, I will be telling you all the tricks to do that. First thing, the best schedule. It is not only for 11th grade, for every grade, but here I want you to be, little conscious for making your schedule for 6 to 7 hours guidance. Ideally, I must say it is only 4 to 5 hours. You should be going out from your home to take assistance from the teachers only for 4 or 5 hours ideally, but that is not possible. Why? Because the institutes are far, okay, and so much time is going in the traveling. Okay, so only 4 to 5 hours ideally, but I have taken it 6 to 7 hours. I have included the traveling time. After that, self study is required for at least 7 to 8 hours. What does it mean? Whatever you have understood in the class, if at home you are not writing it and reproducing it on the paper, okay, all in vain, nothing works for you. No coaching institute, no tuition classes, nothing will work for you if you are. And I'm talking about output. What do you mean by output hours? When we study 15 minutes, our brain is roaming here and there. We'll be thinking what my friend said, what would she be doing, oh my god, I have to complete this, I have to complete that, all those. So there is so much grooming of your, mindset is required before starting the topic preparation. I want you to understand that thing first. Okay, output hours I am talking about, which is 7 to 8. कितना घंटा होता है? In every day there are total 24 hours, right? Suppose 7 to 8 hours you are going for school and other coaching assistance. After that 7 to 8 hours, so 16 hours. 16 hours. So students are asking, ma'am, how many hours I should be studying? You should not. You should ask me how many hours we should spend on the other activities. Otherwise, all the time you should be studying only for these 2 years, 11th and 12th. And trust me, after 12th grade, you are not going to study this much. It is only in India, up to clearing competitive examinations, you have to study this much. Your seniors are also here, you take guidance. What they could have done, okay, she will tell you that also. ज़्यादा उड़ मत, तूने भी वो सारी चीज़ें follow नहीं की हैं. Okay, but you also know, if definitely you would have followed, अभी कहाँ का कहाँ गया रहता score, right? Then every day some physical activity, Papa. Okay, at least 15. You can, spend 20 minutes. That is also fine. Physical activity में rigorous workout I am talking about, जिसमें you will be sweating. उससे जो circulation होगा ना, so that your brain consumes 25% oxygen. You know that, right? So with the complete blood circulation, more oxygen will be given to your brains and you will be more active, more focused. So please work out for at least 20 minutes. और अगर खेल रहे हो तो और बढ़िया. 45 minutes some game. Okay, that is must. And 7 to 8 hours sleep. Those students ना जो ये बोलते हैं मैं खाली 4 घंटे सोता हूँ, मैं 5 घंटे सोता हूँ, it is not possible. भगवान नहीं है. नॉर्मल पर्सन को 7 to 8 hours का साउंड स्लीप चाहिए. ओके, बट उसके बाद भी if you are still feeling lazy, sleepy in the class, okay, then there are some other issues. Okay, that main issue is diet. If you are having that junk food and all those so called, I will tell you, there is a proper science behind it. तुम्हारे डोपामिन लेवल को कैसे चेंज करता है तुम्हारा डाइट, उसके ऊपर we will also talk. Okay, how to keep yourself stay focused during studies, that is must. That is directly related to your diet. Okay, so schedule में please remember 6 to 7 hours guidance, 7 to 8 hours output study hours I am talking about. Output means अगर 7 to 8 hours output है पर तुम बोलोगे मैम 7 to 8 hours we are getting maximum to study.
Standard orientation.
Yeah, please send that. So 7 to 8 hours if you think कि मैम आउटपुट नहीं है पॉसिबल, तो 7 to 8 में व्हाट डू यू थिंक अस्मी, व्हाट इज योर आउटपुट, व्हाट डू यू थिंक? आइए बेटा, हेलो सर, प्लीज कम, या प्लीज कम. It's still good. It's still good. People are saying, ma'am, we can focus only for 60% of our time. It's still good. Hello, sir. Good evening.
Hello.
Yeah. So we were just talking about, in the beginning, how are your exams, Peter?
No good.
Okay. That's great. 10th they ended, right? What did you do after that for last 20 days?
I like slept and then I just enjoyed my holidays.
Okay. What enjoyment? What is your definition of enjoyment?
Like I went out with my parents to some trip and all.
Okay.
And then I played some games. I went down, played with my friends too. Yeah.
Okay, that outdoor games, no?
Both indoor outdoor.
Indoor, outdoor. Okay. So, sir, we will just, I will, brief you, okay, for the previous,
Sure,
what,
sorry, yeah,
so
we
no
can-
problem, no problem, I understand. So, I was talking, what should be your schedule, okay, in 11th and 12th grade, basically. See, ideally, you should be spending 4 to 5 hours outside, okay, for the guidance. And rest, self-study hours are required. Whatever you have learned at the end of the day, you have to absorb, you have to write on the paper. Okay, if that is not done, no, everything is in vain. You go to any institute, you go to any coaching center, it doesn't work for you. Okay, until unless you are writing and reproducing it on the paper. Then physical activity, you are already an athlete, so that is good. So every day, sir, please start for minimum 20 minutes. Okay, rigorous workout is required, and up to 45 minutes you can extend it. Then 7 to 8 hours sleep. Do not think like sleeping student, आप student हो, आपको खाली 4 घंटा सोना है, 5 घंटा सोना है. Don't do that. Okay, you are not God. आपको सोना है 7 to 8 hours का sound sleep is required. Okay, so that will realign your neurons. आपका सारा functioning channel clear हो जाएगा and you will be more absorbent. आपको और अच्छे से information समझ में आएगा. You understood?
Yeah.
So, and do not go by those students, I'm waking up, I'm sleeping at 12, I'm waking up at 4 and all those things. Don't do all those things. Okay, every student's protocol is different, every child's body need is different. Okay, but average thing I'm telling you here. Next is, be attentive. Everyone says be attentive. What do you mean by being attentive as a student? What do you mean by that? First is, whenever you are going for lecture, okay, up to 10th you have not done that, I know, but in 11th and 12th, what will happen, because every chapter is so bulky, and teachers are pressurized to complete the syllabus, in a given span. They are given only few hours to complete those topics. They will be running like anything. You understand? If you are not reading beforehand and you are going like as a knave in the class, it will be difficult for you. If you are going in a proper classroom, if you are coming here, I know that like I will be trying to provide you personal attention. I will be seeing whether you have understood or not. Customized, teaching, that is a different thing. But in school, if I do not want you to waste time in school also, there you please read the topic and then go to the classroom. Okay, what are the benefits? You will be taking effective notes first of all. And while taking notes, do not write elaborated sentences. If you have read already the topic, you will be writing down only the keywords. You understood? Ki ma'am has given, okay, I have also read it. You will be more familiar with the topic. You will be asking legible doubts. Okay, informed questions you will be asking. पहले पढ़ के आना बहुत ज़रूरी है, because I am telling you this topic is so bulky. Even if you are coming here and spending throughout the day, okay, the kind of questions I will be taking, that is only 5 to 10% of the entire curriculum. 11th and 12th, it's a game of self-study. Please understand. 90 to 95% you will be scoring based on the information you are absorbing at home when you are studying by yourself. You got my point, beta? Then, take short notes rather than writing detailed sentences in the classroom, and that can only happen when you are reading before lecture. एक टॉपिक पढ़ के आओ. Suppose you said that ma'am units and measurement in your coaching started, and then some basic concepts of chemistry they have started. You must read it beforehand. Then identify and leave the sources of distractions consciously. What does it mean? Class में भी do not think what others are doing. How is she taking notes and all? You have to be attentive, alert in the class. You have to be listening to the teachers. Suppose you are not understanding the topic he or she teaching in the class, okay, at least you will be listening some keywords. You will be able to figure out this is the topic, these are the keywords. उसको भी लिखो जो नहीं समझ में आया है. You write down on the paper and put question mark. I did not understand these topic. What you understood, that you take proper notes. Whatever you did not understand in the class, that also you write at least the keyword and figure out at home, or with personalized coaching. Whatever, you can come to me and ask me, ma'am, what are the meanings of I did not understand this topic in class at all. But do not take undue advantage कि class में कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आया है. Ultimately, see, we want to save your time. School में भी, coaching center में भी हमको समझना ही है. We cannot waste that time. Please understand. वहाँ पे भी keywords जो भी आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, please write it down and come here. And try to understand. Do not totally rely on personalized coaching, okay. In school, in coaching institute, also try to be attentive and try to understand there. If you are doing, suppose there you understood 40%, 50%, then my job will be only 50 to 40%. Even not only that, even if it is like level 1 questions I will be giving. Suppose you are already done with level 1 question, I can increase your level, no, here I can take you to level 2 and level 3 type questions. You understood? And it's every topic is so bulky that you should be preparing first on your own. Then in school, whatever you did not understand, please write down on the paper, okay. Then rewrite everything. Suppose you have said that ma'am, units and measurement, these topics are done. Can you, like right now if I ask you, can you reproduce it on the paper? Ma'am, parallax method is this. Can you explain? Suppose can you explain Kalash, this is parallax method. That is preparation. If you are able to do that, okay, after doing the topic which you think that you have completed the topic from your end, if you are able to explain it to your colleague, then the topic is done. You got my point? Otherwise, if you think, ma'am, I have done it, that is your brain creating the illusion for you. If you are able to explain it to your colleague, no, like in words properly, with examples, your topic is done. So when you are writing this point, no, I'm saying rewrite everything during self-study without referring any source, means as if you are a teacher and on the paper and on your side, like someone is sitting and you are explaining them. This is parallax method, this happens, and this is the example for the parallax method. Then the topic is done. उसके बाद आप level 1, level 2, level 3 का question solve कर सकते हो, otherwise it won't happen. You got my point बेटा? बिना लिखे 11th 12th grade में नहीं होगा. कितना भी spoon feeding can work for CBSE up to 10th grade. That I was doing. अभी 11th 12th में I can spoon feed only 5% to 10%. That too, like most important things. And your goal is not only to pass the exams, right? आपको excel करना है ना बेटा topic में, पढ़ के घर पे आना ही पड़ेगा आपको class में. आप समझ रहे हो? Then choose study material wisely. There are so many books, so many coaching institute. You will be having Narayana ka study material, Akash ka, Fitzy, Allen, all study material will be available to you. कहाँ से पढ़ना है, क्या पढ़ना है? You got my point. There are kids who are already there in Narayana who have started their preparation in 7th grade. 7th grade में 11th grade का differentiation, integration already introduced to them. You got my point. How to start from scratch, what is your level? So based on that, every student study material will be different. You got it? There are few level 1 which is quite student friendly books from where you should start. Okay, I'll be giving you all the book list. कहाँ से तुम लोगों पे क्या work करेगा? Okay, based on your already whatever you have prepared so far and whatever your preparation last year and the test marks you wrote here, I will be able to tell you, like for you these books will work. And for those students who are, there are, see, every brain is different, every brain capacity is different. Those students who are good at, level 1, so I will be suggesting them level 2 books or level 3 books. So that is different for different students. You have to choose your study material wisely. समझ में आया बेटा? And once your source is set, no, okay, this book is quite student friendly, this book is friendly for me, I am able to understand author's language completely. Do from one source 4 times rather than referring 4 different sources. You understood? एक बुक को, जिसको बोलते हैं ना दीमक की तरह चाट जाना एकदम, मतलब you should be absorbing everything from that book. If any question comes, I am not going to miss. But that source should be one from where you should be doing it multiple times. You understood? Then you have 30 questions solve. Yes, questions, most important part. If you are not solving question 30 में तुम्हारा मतलब अभी के लिए, if you are naive to this field, so तुम 15 से शुरू करो, at least 50%. 15 questions every day per subject, I am saying. 15 numericals of physics, 15 numericals, and every day 1% increase. 1%, 15 का 1.5. So तुम क्या लोगे, जैसे कि ये 16 क्वेश्चन, अगले दिन एक इंक्रीज कर दो, then 17, then 18. Little bit progress every day, and every baby step matters, I'm telling you. ठीक है? And then room for revision. Yes, you can skip learning a new topic, but you cannot skip your revision hour every day. समझ में आ? Every day at the end of the, जो लास्ट का 1 घंटा है ना, 1.5 hour, you must be revising whatever you have done throughout the day, in school and while studying by yourself. आपको सब रिकॉल करके पेपर पे लिख करके फिर सोने जाना है. आप समझ रहे हो? ओके. देन वन मोर थिंग, रिवीजन इज नॉट लाइक, आई टोल्ड बिफोर ऑल्सो, रिवीजन इज नॉट लाइक कि आपकी बुक ओपन होगी तभी. ओके, इवन इफ यू आर ट्रैवलिंग इन द बस, स्कूल जा रहे हो आप, ठीक है, दैट टाइम ऑल्सो जस्ट ट्राई टू रिकॉल व्हाट फॉर्मूलाज, व्हाट डेरिवेशंस आई हैव कंप्लीटेड yesterday, what equations I have memorized, what formulas I have practiced, what type of numericals, in that numerical I got stuck, then I, repetition is the key thing, beta. That is the only difference between a smart student and a mediocre student. Everyone has 24 hours. That a smart student is revising all the time. आप समझ रहे हो? अभी 11th 12th, once this habit is developed, no, मतलब it's not only, making your preparation extraordinary, but also you are developing a very good skill to stay focused, on your task throughout the day. आपका एक गोल पकड़ में लेकर के उसको चलना है throughout the day. Okay, so you will be revising even if the book is not opened. Understood beta? Then you have अपने मेमोरी कार्ड्स आई विल बी गिविंग डेफिनेटली. तुम अपना भी बनाओ बाबा, वो एक सैम्पल है. आई क्रिएटेड माई मेमोरी कार्ड्स टू हेल्प स्टूडेंट्स हाउ यू शुड बी मेकिंग योर ओन मेमोरी कार्ड्स. आपकी एक रिवीजन बुक अलग से प्रिपेयर रहनी चाहिए. In this topic I have understood this, how to explain myself in the simplest sentences. So your revision notebook should be parallelly ready, and that should have very crisp information about the topic. आप अपने रिवीजन नोटबुक बनाओ, अपना शॉर्ट नोट्स, ओके, जिसको you will be referring one day before your exam, and any time whenever you are opening it should, print here. First page I have written, left side this is written, okay, at the end of the page this is written. You will see that is giving you a high minded memory when you are writing in the exam, no, that when you are writing the answers and all, you will be able to recall, oh, I have written on page number 3, right side I have written this. You got my point? So the 3 types of memories are there: hand minded memory, eye minded memory, ear minded memory. Ear minded memory, what you listen in the class. Oh, I remember ma'am was saying that. Okay, whenever it is required, that information comes out. The ear minded memory. Then eye minded memory, as I said, whatever you are writing on the paper, and if you are revising from some source, I know that it was written on the left page, it was written on the right page, I remember ma'am it's written on the down, very down, you say sometimes. That is eye minded memory. Hand minded memory is the strongest. The reason is, when you are writing, no, that time you are speaking in your mind also, your eyes are also seeing, plus your hand, so 3 senses are working all together, and every action has equal and opposite reaction. So 3 senses means 3 times memory you will get. You got my point? Okay, so handwriting, okay, more you write, okay, more it will be absorbed in your brain. 11th-12th में लिखना इज मैंडेटरी. नोटबुक के नोटबुक भर दो आप, मतलब 1 महीने में हमारा 2 नोटबुक खत्म हो जाना चाहिए. इतना आई वुड बी राइटिंग दीज मेनी क्वेश्चंस, आई वुड बी प्रैक्टिसिंग. यू गॉट इट बेटा? देन यू हैव, हाँ, at the end of the day maintain one diary. I have completed these topics on this particular date. On this particular date, like आज का date लिख दिया. Suppose we have completed, law of conservation of mass and laws of chemical combinations we have completed. I have completed, and how many questions I did. So एक column बनाएंगे आप, the topics you have covered, and related to that topic how many questions I have solved by myself, and in how many questions I have got stuck. So how many questions I have got stuck, that also you mark, and that also you write on this page, because I told you every student I am going to refer one book. I am going to tell you from that book you have to do at least 4 times better. You got my point? My notes will be there, then you will be referring the notes, then the book which I am going to recommend as per students this thing, and third आपका खुद का revision notes. You got it? And then the memory cards. Best you make your own memory cards. ठीक है? In which you can include those type of numericals also in which you are more frequently getting stuck. The difficult questions in which you got stuck while solving, that should become part of the revision. You got my point? आज अगर ये question नहीं आया है, you should be referring it to next 2-3 days. Okay, this question is solved like this. Again repetition is required. Okay, because suppose there was one study I was going through, that I think in 1 month, suppose you are preparing one topic this week, at the end of the month you will be remembering, if you are not revising, only 25% is retained, rest is evaporated. It's that volatile. You have to put pressure to condense it again and again. Okay, it's highly volatile substance, right? Acetone is highly volatile. It's more volatile than acetone. You understand beta? So again you have to condense it. You have to sit and again put the pressure and condense the information. Okay, so writing topics covered by you at the end of the day is the main thing. And revision, I have written so many points though. Next is, yes sir, diet. यहाँ पे parents का role है. Okay, because they do not know, they will be eating, अरे खाने में क्या होता है, anything we can eat or something like that, but it is not. Diet is very very important. I told you, like every small baby step has so much potential. अगर आपका खाना पानी सही नहीं है ना, for student it is very difficult. Okay, not even for students. अगर आपका खाना पीना सही है, you will be more focused, you will be more energetic, and you will be able to take quick and right decisions as well. अगर ये topic नहीं आया है, you will be not in indecisive state. What should I do next and all? Sir, raw food materials add कीजिए please. Diet में मैम को बोलिएगा. Raw food materials means like I've written here, so nuts and raisins in the morning. Raisins are very much mandatory. इनका iron सब proper रहेगा, because more oxygen is required to the brain when we are studying. Okay, उसमें आयरन रहता है रेजिन्स में, एंड नट्स पूरा कैल्शियम एंड ऑल दिस. एंड मोर यू ईट रॉ, मोर यू विल फील लेस स्लीपी इन दी क्लासरूम. जितना जंक खाओगे ना, इन हिंदी इट इज कॉल्ड गरिष्ठ भोजन. जितना जंक खाओगे और जितना हैवी फूड खाओगे ना, पेट को लाइट रखना है, कम खाना है. हमारे वो कहावत है ना, काक चेष्टा बको ध्यानम श्वान निद्रा. आई विल टेल यू इन इंग्लिश. श्वान निद्रा तथा च अल्पाहारी गृह त्यागी विद्यार्थी पंचलक्षण. स्टूडेंट्स हैव 5 साइंस. रियल स्टूडेंट. ओके, काक चेष्टा मीन्स कौवे के जैसी, क्रो के जैसा उसका एटीट्यूड. ओके, एटीट्यूड लाइक अ क्रो. क्रो का क्या एटीट्यूड रहता है? इट इज कंटिन्यूसली सर्चिंग फॉर द फूड. एज सुन एज इट सीज द फूड, वो एकदम से जाके झपट्टा मार के ले लेता है. यू गॉट इट? यू विल बी दैट अटेंटिव. यू अंडरस्टूड कि क्लास में मतलब जो टीचर कुछ समझा रहा है, अच्छा ये कीवर्ड है, मुझे नहीं आया समझ में टॉपिक, इट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. आई विल बी राइटिंग इट डाउन. मैं आज कैसे ना कैसे करके ये टॉपिक को एंड में ख़त्म कर ही लूँगा. दैट मीन्स आई विल बी ईटिंग द फूड. वो मेरा खाना है, द टॉपिक इज माई फूड, आई हैव टू कंप्लीट, दैट इज काक चेष्टा, इट मीन्स एटीट्यूड लाइक अ क्रो. श्वान काक चेष्टा बगु ध्यानम, बगुले के जैसा ध्यान, बगुले के जैसा ध्यान, बगुला भी अगेन द सेम थिंग. क्या व्हाट इज इट इज दैट क्रेन, crane that aquatic bird, what it does, फिश को जैसे कि देखता है ना, फिश कितना स्पीड से मूव करती है, वो अपना पूरा ध्यान लगा के एंड इट टेक द चांस टू व्हेन टू ग्रैब दैट फिश. यू अंडरस्टैंड. सो जब भी पूरे दिन में आपको टाइम मिले, कभी भी टाइम मिले, नाउ दिस इज द टाइम आई वांट टू कंप्लीट माय टॉपिक, आई वांट टू कंप्लीट माय नोट्स. ओके, दैट इज द यू कैन से द अटेंशन और द अलर्टनेस लाइक अ क्रेन. बको ध्यानम. श्वान निद्रा, श्वान मीन्स डॉग, डॉग के जैसी नींद. नींद मतलब क्या है उसका, whenever थोड़ा सा भी झटका होता है and all those things, so the dog wakes up almost immediately, instantly. Just ask them, did you tell them that we have orientation? Who are there? Can you please ask them?
Can I?
No, just ask them for which grade they have come.
They haven't tell us.
Then send them inside.
No, they are not student, only parents.
Then just send them inside. सो श्वान निद्रा मीन्स कुत्ते की जैसी नींद. सुबह अलार्म बजाए तो उठना है, जंप करके उठना है बेड से, स्नूज नहीं करना है. 10 मिनट्स 15 मिनट्स कुत्ते की जैसी नींद चाहिए. वो सब तभी होगा बेटा जब आपकी डाइट प्रॉपर. ओके, देन यू हैव टू टेल देम दे हैव टू वेट फॉर 15-20 मिनट्स. यू अंडरस्टूड. सो हमें डॉग के जैसे सोना है कि अगर, और वो जैसे एकदम से उठ करके फिर भागता है सीधा, तो दैट इज थर्ड मेन वर्च्यूज ऑफ गुड स्टूडेंट. ओके, श्वान इधर तत्व. अल्पाहारी, लेस फूड. अल्पाहारी मीन्स द वन हु ईट्स लेस फूड. आपको अपनी क्वांटिटी जितना आप रेगुलरली खाते हैं उससे थोड़ा कम खाइए, पेट को खाली रखना है. अल्पाहारी. गृह त्यागी, गृह त्यागी मीन्स पहले घर छोड़ करके जाते थे, like they used to study in Gurukul and all those ashram, but that is not possible. Here I symbolize grah tyagi with this one, distractions. आपका जो अटैचमेंट्स हैं, किस किस से अटैचमेंट है, सोशल मीडिया से बहुत अटैचमेंट है हमको, वीडियो गेम्स से बहुत अटैचमेंट है हमको, नींद से बहुत अटैचमेंट है हमको. जब भी पढ़ने को मिले तभी हमें नींद आना शुरू हो जाता है. सो ऑल दीज व्हेन आई कॉल अबाउट गृह त्यागी, अभी जाकर के हॉस्टल में रहना एंड ऑल, इवन हॉस्टल लाइफ इज नॉट दैट टाइप विच वी यूज टू हैव. सो हियर गृह त्यागी मीन्स यू हैव टू अवॉइड ऑल द डिस्ट्रैक्शंस अवेलेबल टू यू. मोबाइल तो सर बच्चों को दीजिए ही मत प्लीज. नो फ्रेंडशिप, सच्ची में बता रही हूँ, नो फ्रेंडशिप, नो सोशल मीडिया प्लीज. ये दोनों तुम्हारे को किल कर दे रहे हैं. आई विल टेल यू द रीजन बिहाइंड इट. क्या होता है ना, व्हेन वी ईट जंक फूड एंड व्हेन वी सी one reel that momentarily satisfaction and that pleasure we are getting, that is increasing dopamine level in the brain. There is one book called Dopamine Detox. Okay, you must read, all of you, and that is addictive. So now you will scroll to the other reel. Why? Because that addiction, more dopamine is required. So that becomes a vicious cycle. Up dopamine is happy hormone, they say. Okay, it's a chemical which makes you happy momentarily. The problem with dopamine is excessive level of dopamine will make you defocused. आप स्टडी नहीं कर पाएंगे, आपका फोकस कम होगा. यू विल बी हैप्पी एंड मोर दिस थिंग, इधर उधर उछल कूद मचाने टाइप हो, एक्साइटमेंट. जबकि स्टडी के लिए शांत होना जरूरी है. यू गॉट इट. शांत मीन्स यू शुड बी एट पीस, यू शुड बी मैक्सिमम रिलैक्स्ड स्टेट, नो टेंशन. Even these distractions which are increasing your dopamine level, you will be maximum receptive when you are at ease. Dopamine is a disease. More dopamine. You understood? So please understand the psychology behind this social media and all. You must all read that book, Dopamine Detox. जो आपको वहाँ से, I will give you one list of books जो तुमको हमेशा focus रखेगा. And throughout the day, if you are able to recall that, okay, just keep recalling yourself. No, this is not me. I have to do this, and I know the science behind it. Why I am attracted to this thing? I should be knowing it. Chemically, what is happening in my brain now? Okay, which is making me defocus, which is making me sleepy. I am telling you all the things. here. You understood? So पहले diet दोनों, food, proper food for thoughts. The last point I have written here, proper food for thoughts means what? What are the proper food for thoughts? Proper food for thoughts which keeps you motivated, which keeps you on the right track. You will be seeing every small thing you see in your surrounding, no, that has so much deep conditioning and so much effect on your psychology. Please understand. So you will be seeing only which is beneficial for you, which is keeping you on track, which is keeping you motivated. कोई नेगेटिव चीज नहीं सुनो. अगर तुम्हारी फ्रेंड बैक बाइटिंग कर रही है किसी दूसरी फ्रेंड के बारे में, नहीं सुनो. तुमको समझ में आया? उसने इतना कर लिया, उसने कोई कंपैरिजन टाइप टॉक है, दैट इज ऑल्सो नेगेटिव फूड फॉर थॉट्स. एनी कंपैरिजन, see that she is doing that and I have not done this, and all these comparative thoughts, there are so many things which are negative to your brain and which will keep you defocused. So don't do all those things. Okay, we will discuss that also in detail when I am taking classes. कि तुमको सोचने पे बहुत काम करना है. There is a art of thinking. आपको अपनी सोच बिल्कुल सही रखना है. You have to be thinking first thing. I am not saying positive thinking, right thinking. पॉजिटिव राइट अपने आप हो जाता है, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव हमने बनाया है. ठीक है, राइट वे ऑफ थिंकिंग. राइट वे ऑफ थिंकिंग में इवन इफ एनी नेगेटिव information is also coming to you, no, so then you will be choosing what I should grasp from this information which is benefit for my journey. You got it? Which is beneficial for my journey. So taking that, abstract from that information, that is art of thinking. So you will be developing that skill also in 11th and 12th grade. Next is, sir, role of parents and teachers. That's why I asked parents also to come. See, you really need to monitor them at home. Okay, so in monitoring their regular behavior towards you. Okay, so how they are, if you are discussing with them anything, do not give long lectures. They are not after, when teenage starts, no, they are not listeners. उनको पेरेंट्स को सुनना नहीं है. They already have the full ज्ञान. उनको मालूम है कि क्या सही है क्या गलत है. रिपीटिंग दैट लेक्चर, नो, बिकॉज आई एम गेटिंग दीज कंप्लेंट्स फ्रॉम द पेरेंट्स. मैम हम तो कुछ भी बोलते हैं, हमारा सुनते ही नहीं है. स्टार्ट पुटिंग क्वेश्चंस रादर देन गिविंग देम लॉन्ग लेक्चर. स्टार्ट पुटिंग क्वेश्चंस. डू यू थिंक यू आर डूइंग राइट? दैट्स इट. उसके बाद जस्ट कि जस्ट आस्क वन क्वेश्चन इज इनफ फॉर देम. आंसर उनको मालूम है, वो अपने आप सोच लेंगे answer. Okay, even if that still also that is not working, there is any friction, please come to me and we will discuss. Okay, what is the attitude at home and all those things. So that regular monitoring, not only behavioral monitoring plus academic monitoring. Please be in touch with teachers and the student that at the end of the week उन्होंने test लिखा, did they attend the viva voce sessions or not, every day का how was your day. So at least 10 to 15 minutes talk, healthy talk between parents and kids are mandatory. Please do that. Okay, daily discussion to keep motivation high. आपको पता चल जाएगा being a parent how is your child, उसका motivation कैसा है. Do you think he is motivated towards studies or not, or what is his or her mindset? That is must. Then diet plan, please. You and ma'am have to work on the diet. आप जितना रॉ लेंगे, सूप्स हो गया, फ्रूट्स हो गया, उतना ज़्यादा ये फोकस रहेंगे. अदरवाइज बिकॉज इट्स मोर स्टडी आवर्स, मोर कोचिंग, दैट विल मेक देम lethargic, lazy, and if the willingness is not there and the food is also bad, no, then to gone. Then ultimately only the spoon feeding what I am doing, they will be remembering that much only, but that is not the goal. So उससे खाली मैं इनको 12th तक 20 मार्क्स दिला सकती हूँ. क्लियरिंग कम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट. अगर आप वो नहीं कर पाएंगे ना तो फिर इट इज़ डिफिकल्ट. डाइट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपको 12 ग्लास पानी पीना है. व्हाट डज इट मीन? 12 glasses of water after every hour. एक घंटे के बाद 250 ml वाटर यू हैव टू टेक. इतना हाइड्रेटेड रखना है. यू विल सी द डिफरेंस. ओके, या माई रोल ऑल्सो. सो माई गोल इज फर्स्ट I have to give you simplified explanation for all the tough topics based on your 9th and 10th ka knowledge. Whatever we have learnt in 9th grade, that is there in 11th. Whatever we have learnt in 10th grade, that is there in 12th. Okay, with more advancement matlab it will be up to JEE advanced. Even if it is NEET also, then also the level, many questions are common in both JEE and NEET. So we have to take the thread from the 9th grade. Suppose I will be starting kinematics, so I will be first revising the motion ka concept. We have Newton's laws of motion. I will be revising 9th grade Newton's laws of motion, and then taking the thread to jump to the 11th grade advanced level questions. Okay, so that is my job. So starting from the scratch, I'm not hoping कि मेरे पास जो बच्चा आ रहा है they already know the topic. If you are coming to me, definitely you are thinking that कि coaching में जो वो personalized touch नहीं मिल रहा है, we are not that open to the teachers and asking in the classroom. That's why you are coming to personalized classes, right? So that is my role, making the tough topics as simple as possible for you. And I will be providing you the simplified study material memory cards for all the topics. But tests are mandatory. अगर आप टेस्ट और वाइवा नहीं दोगे ना, then मेरा फिर दिमाग हिल जाता है, क्योंकि आई एम गिविंग यू एवरीथिंग. ओके, सब सिंपल करके दे दिया, एंड स्टिल यू आर नॉट कंप्लीटिंग योर टास्क एट होम, एंड देन इट इज ऑल इन वेन. फिर मुझे मेरा मेहनत भी वेस्ट होता हुआ दिखेगा. आई डू नॉट वांट ऑल दोस थिंग्स. मेरे पास वही है जिसको सच्ची में मेहनत करना है. ठीक है, राइट मेहनत कैसे करना है, दैट आई विल टेल. दैट इज माई गारंटी. ओके, तुम बस तैयार हो जाओ कि मैम ने आज ये काम दिया है. आज हमने द फर्स्ट चैप्टर, हमने आज मोल कॉन्सेप्ट फॉर गैसियस सिस्टम वी हैव कंप्लीटेड. सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू कंप्लीट दीज क्वेश्चंस मार्क्ड बाय मैम, कि आज मैं ये 30 क्वेश्चंस रात को कंप्लीट करके ही सोऊंगा. You got my point. तो ये तुम्हारा एटीट्यूड रहना चाहिए that I will be completing my task. Then yes, I have to give the feedback. So do not tell me like last year, ma'am, please send these marks to my parents and all. And parents also, I am just telling कि अगर कम आता है marks, it's absolutely fine. So 10th to 11th there is a big jump. Okay, vertical jump. Okay, and it's not a small jump also. Still I am trying to make the rope. एंड वहाँ पे हम हैंग करके धीरे धीरे कोशिश करेंगे चढ़ने की. एंड देर इज नो राइट स्टेयर ऑल्सो, वी हैव टू क्लाइंब ओनली. ओके, सो दैट जर्नी आई विल ट्राई टू मेक लिटिल सिंपल. येस, मल्टीपल रिविजन क्लासेस बिफोर योर स्कूल एग्जाम्स एज यूजुअल आई वॉज टेकिंग. अभी तक क्या हो रहा है कि लाइक till now students, if you can bunk school, I do know, I should not say that you should be bunking school, but before exam if you are not getting more information and you are simply wasting time, so be wise to take that decision, discuss with parents, and then okay, for the tough topics, if you want multiple revision classes, I am ready to take that. Even in late night also, if possible, I will do that. Okay, then yes, आपका डेली स्केड्यूल, जस्ट डिस्कस विद मी एवरीथिंग. इफ यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग, इवन इफ यू आर नॉट विलिंग टू स्टडी ऑल दोज थिंग्स, यू नो दैट यू आर नॉट ऑन द राइट ट्रैक. अगर आप डेली 6 से 7 घंटा नहीं पढ़ रहे हो ना, मान के चलो आप राइट ट्रैक पे नहीं हो. इफ यू आर नॉट रिप्रोड्यूसिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन द पेपर, देन यू आर ऑन द राइट रॉन्ग ट्रैक, वॉट एवर बी द रीजन. मुझे स्कूल का प्रोजेक्ट करना था, या वन मोर थिंग, होमवर्क. पेरेंट्स आर एंड स्टूडेंट्स आर सेइंग मैम स्कूल से इतना होमवर्क मिलता है. होमवर्क क्या है? What is homework? कोई कॉपी करने को थोड़ी दे रहे हैं तुमको, राइट? यू पेरेंट्स आर आस्किंग मैम इतना होमवर्क क्या है भाई? सी, द गोल बिहाइंड होमवर्क वाज, सपोज दे हैव कंप्लीटेड स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम चैप्टर, दे विल बी गिविंग यू 20 क्वेश्चंस, लाइक वर्कशीट जैसे मिला ना, वही होमवर्क हुआ. Why you have to see and refer the book and do homework के behind purpose was you should be first clearing your concepts and doing it without referring like a test. That is the purpose of homework. Do not tell me ma'am उतना time homework में निकल जाता है मतलब as if you are sounding like you have wasted time in completing homework. Homework waste नहीं है, homework तो बहुत अच्छा है. You understand? So वो प्रोजेक्ट है, ये प्रोजेक्ट है, प्रोजेक्ट एंड ऑल. आई विल जस्ट से लाइक आई थिंक ओनली फ्यू प्रोजेक्ट्स इन ऑल गुड स्कूल्स. आई डू नॉट थिंक कि तुमको प्रोजेक्ट में क्या, तुमको कोई रोबोट बनाने को थोड़ी देंगे, और दे आर डूइंग दैट.
No, like in FIS they make you do like these thick binders of projects.
Oh yeah.
What is it? Just gathering information from Google and do it? No.
No, it's like you. I'm not
It's
sure
practical.
exactly what it is, but it's a mix of practical and your own understanding.
Yeah. It's a
No, that's good. That's also good bit. If it is related to some analytical thing, you should be first grasping the concept, and after that, based on your analysis, you are writing it. Then it is good only. Okay, so my purpose to say this is you should be attentive. You should, take out best from whatever task is given to you from school and from coaching. किसी टास्क को वेस्ट मत समझो कि होमवर्क है उसमें मेरा टाइम वेस्ट होगा. क्यों वेस्ट होगा भाई? क्या होगा? न्यूमेरिकल्स ही देंगे ना, या कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने को देंगे स्कूल से. दैट इज ओनली होमवर्क. So you should be grasping the concept of those questions first and then writing it, okay, without referring the text. That is the purpose of homework. Okay, now, yes sir, I always tell orally, I have told to everyone, it's 33% job of parents. Okay, you have to be alert. Yes, you have to monitor them throughout the day, their behavioral changes. If anything is like, you should be discussing with me. Please do not feel shy. I'm awake till 11:30. Many parents are calling me at 11 o'clock, 11:30. I'm available. Just send me a WhatsApp message. If I'm until unless I'm having headache or I'm very much tired, only that, in that case I will not be calling you back. Otherwise I'll be calling you. Then yes, my job is 33% teachers. I have to simplify all the tough topics for you and giving you proper study material and tests, and I will try to push you. जब भी मुझे लगेगा तुम्हारा motivation low है, I have to push you. वो कैसे भी करके I will do that. Then yes, अगर नहीं होगा, वो clarity लाने के लिए how to bring मैम dedication कौन सी दुकान पे मिलता है, सिंसियरिटी कौन सी दुकान पे मिलता है, एंड कमिटमेंट एंड ऑल, वो सब मिलता है बेटा, वो सब बुक्स में मिलता है. देर आर फ्यू बुक्स यू मस्ट बी रीडिंग. ओके, ओवरऑल अभी जो 11th and 12th, इट्स नॉट ओनली competitive प्रिपरेशन, इट इज़ मेकिंग यू अ बेटर पर्सन, इट्स मेकिंग यू अ बेटर वर्जन ऑफ योर सेल्फ. You got it? You will be more disciplined and all, because see, getting financial independence is one goal of this academics, and this is the shortest cut, and I think this is the safest cut also, because through academics you can definitely gain something. Okay, like extraordinary offbeat careers are there, जैसे कि अभी मेरा बच्चा, उसको तो क्रिकेटर बनना है अभी इस एज में एंड ऑल, किसी को फुटबॉलर बनना है, एंड यू ऑल्सो हैव चोजन वन ऑफ बीट करियर. यू वांट टू बिकम अ स्विमर और रेसिंग एथलीट, रेसिंग. सो दैट इज गुड थिंग. And yesterday only I was seeing one this thing story of Mr. Praveen Tambe. Have you heard? Like, he got his debut match. Okay, that's significant. I think state-wise or something, in 41 years. When he was of age, in 41 years, उसको मिला first उसको match खेलने को. So it's a never-ending journey, beta. Like, it is not only getting financial independence. I want you to be an alert, sincere, dedicated, motivated person at the end. Competitive examination, कहीं ना कहीं अगर तुम लगे रहे ना, तो एक decent college में तो मैं धक्का दे ही दूंगी, ठीक है. लेकिन वहाँ पे जाने के बाद क्या? अभी स्पून फीडिंग कर दूंगी 11th and 12th में, उसके बाद क्या? समझ में आया? वहाँ कॉलेज में जाके क्या करोगे? वहाँ तुम्हारा हैंड होल्डिंग कौन करेगा? आई वॉन्ट यू टू बी इंडिपेंडेंट. व्हेन यू गो फ्रॉम हियर आफ्टर 12th ग्रेड, मैं चाहती हूँ कि तुम कहीं पे भी एब्जॉर्ब हो जाओ इजीली, कहीं पे भी यू गेट अडेप्टेड. यू अंडरस्टैंड? तो वो उस चीज़ पे काम करना है. ओके, यू मस्ट बी रीडिंग फ्यू बुक्स. एक तो ये बुक है स्ट्रैटेजी. आई जस्ट शो इट टू पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो. जस्ट 1 minute. Sir, can you see me, everyone? Arun sir, Raghav, this book is there. Can you see it? I will share it in the group. There is a book. This is by. You can't see it. I will share it in the group. Okay, I will share the picture. Written by Mr. Prateek Gupta and Saransh Gupta. Both are from IIT Bombay. They have given supreme strategies. It's not only for JEE beta, it is for IIT, this one, NEET also. Okay, you should be studying this one. And there is one more, which is यहाँ पे पढ़ी है ना, Do It Today, Ikigai of for Teens and No Excuses. ये मैंडेटरी है. जब भी आपको मन करे ना मोबाइल पे रील्स देखना है, उस टाइम पे वो नहीं देखना है, ये देखना है. ये बुक्स को रीड करना है, उसमें से नोट्स लेकर के आओ. आई विल बी आस्किंग यू इन द क्लास, कल तुमने कौन सा बुक पढ़ा? इन 5 बुक्स के नाम मैं भेज रही हूँ. यू मस्ट बी रीडिंग दोज 5 बुक्स इन 11th and 12th grade. एवरी डे 15 to 20 मिनट्स. एक्चुअली ये मॉर्निंग में तुम्हारा यही स्केड्यूल होना चाहिए. व्हेन यू वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग 15 to 20 मिनट्स आपको ये बुक में से कुछ भी जो तुमने अच्छा, दैट विल बी काइंड ऑफ मोटिवेशन फॉर द एंटायर डे एंड इट विल कीप यू स्टे फोकस्ड. अभी मोबाइल भूल जाओ प्लीज. जस्ट फॉर 2 years आई एम टेलिंग यू, यू विल बी सेविंग सो मच एनर्जी. योर डोपामिन लेवल विल बी लोअर्ड. यू विल बी मोर फोकस्ड एंड मोर एनर्जेटिक. समझ में आया? डिस्ट्रैक्शन, नो फ्रेंडशिप. फ्रेंडशिप आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि तुमको काइंडनेस भी नहीं दिखाना है. वेन एवर योर फ्रेंड इज इन नीड मीन्स अकेडमिक नीड, ओके, काउंसलिंग एंड ऑल के लिए तुम बोलो मैम से जाके बात करो और टॉक टू योर पेरेंट्स. काउंसिल नहीं करने बैठने. ज्ञानी बाबा सभी ज्ञानी पैदा हुए हैं बेटा, ठीक है. उसके लिए बड़ों के पास भेजो. फ्रेंड को अगर मानो उसको एकेडमिक नीड है, किसी को कोई टॉपिक नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, मोल कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, बैठ के वो समझाओ. ग्रुप स्टडी कैन बी अ बोन एंड कैन बी वेरी वेरी डैमेजिंग ऑल्सो. यू हैव टू चूज दैट कॉन्शियसली. इफ यू आर प्लानिंग कि मैम मी एंड हरिणी विल स्टडी टुगेदर, ओके, एंड वी विल नॉट टॉक एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स, तुमको हर 5 मिनट्स में चेक करना है लास्ट 5 मिनट डिड वी वेस्ट टाइम talking unnecessary stuff or did we really complete any topic. ग्रुप स्टडी का फायदा क्या है? यू विल बी एक्सप्लेनिंग हर वन टॉपिक. हम लोग कैसे करते थे? 1 day before we used to decide, okay Asmi, you complete the mole concept, I will be completing quantum numbers, okay, and we will both explain each other. That's how you will save time, plus that will give you ear minded memory. आप समझ रहे हो? एंड when you teaching someone, no, that time you will see, because when the other person, see, a teacher becomes a teacher because of students, because you are coming to me and asking me question, तब मुझे समझ में आता है अच्छा ये टॉपिक का ये एंगल भी है. You understand? So you will be scrolling every angle when questions are asked to you. You understood? So ग्रुप स्टडी का ये बेनिफिट है. बट अगर आप ऐसे बात कर रहे हो, यार चला जा मोमोज खा के आते हैं, यार भूख लग रही है, 5 मिनट में अगर तुमको भूख लग रही है ना पढ़ने के बाद, दैट मीन्स यू आर नॉट विलिंग फॉर स्टडी. प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. दीज आर द साइंस. अगर 5 मिनट में 1 कप कॉफी पी लेता हूँ फिर उसके बाद पढ़ने बैठूंगा, यू आर नॉट विलिंग टू स्टडी. एंड प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, अपने आप को यू हैव टू रिफ्लेक्ट अपॉन योर थॉट्स. मेरी सही सोचने की क्या मैंने 5 मिनट लास्ट के वेस्ट किए या नहीं, उतना उस लेवल का परफेक्शन हमको लाना है. ओके, नथिंग इज 100% परफेक्ट. इट इज एवर एंडिंग प्रोसेस. इट इज हाईली इवॉल्विंग प्रोसेस. तो आपको हर सेकंड को कैसे यूटिलाइज करना है फॉर योर ओन बेनिफिट. एंड सर वन मोर थिंग, एट होम प्लीज डू नॉट कंपेयर देयर रिजल्ट्स विद दी अदर पीयर्स, कि उसके बच्चे के इतने आ गए, तुम्हारे इतने क्यों नहीं आए, तुम तो उससे ज़्यादा होशियार हो, तुम भी उससे कर सकते हो, अगर वो कर सकता है तो तुम क्यों नहीं. ऑल दोस थिंग्स प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. ठीक है, उसको एनकरेज ही करना है. ओ दिस इज गुड, इट्स ओके. डिड यू सी, अगर मान लो किसी पेपर में कम मार्क्स आया है, आप उसको बैठ करके डिड यू मार्क ऑल द क्वेश्चंस, ट्राई टू रेफर इट फ्रॉम दैट. आई विल ऑल्सो बी टेलिंग देम कि आप वापस से रेफर करो, टेक्स्ट रेफर करो, उसके बाद ट्राई टू रीडू दोज क्वेश्चंस लाइक अ वर्कशीट. If suppose you are completing one test, you saw that I got 12 on 20, ठीक है, मेरे 4 क्वेश्चंस गलत हो गए, एंड एट होम यू आर नॉट रीडूइंग दोज क्वेश्चन. वो टेस्ट का क्या मतलब है बेटा? उस टेस्ट का कोई मतलब नहीं है. मेरा ये क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग हुआ तो क्यों हुआ, अगर वो नहीं करेंगे ना फिर कोई फायदा नहीं है टेस्ट लिखने का. यू गॉट इट? यू हैव टू डिस्कस थॉरोली. अभी वो 20 क्वेश्चंस, whichever 20 questions came in the test, now if similar questions are coming, मेरा अब गलत नहीं होगा, then तभी टेस्ट का फायदा है. So Sunday को suppose you are writing test, by Monday or Tuesday you will be getting the results. After that Wednesday को आपको बैठ करके do that test as a worksheet, redo those questions. That is must. You understood बेटा? So then yes, आपके क्या क्वेश्चंस हैं प्लीज बताइए. डू यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस टू आस्क अभी के लिए? यस, पीपल ऑनलाइन प्लीज. राघव, एनी क्वेश्चंस बेटा?
नो मैम.
ओके, रिंकू मैम, डू यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस? about the strategy and like my study material and classes. We have to discuss about class timings though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm discussing now the schedule. See, some people told me that they are not comfortable on Saturday. Saturday ka class I have to reschedule. Saturday was 1 to 2 p.m. biology. Only one session, no, on Saturday. No, 11 to 1, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. chemistry. Many students have school on Saturday. So that I have to change, that I will do. Then we have Sunday, no problem.
Yeah,
Sunday
is no
we
problem.
have chemistry 3 to 4 p.m. and 4 to 6 p.m. is biology. Raghav, are you okay for Sunday's classes? Raghav?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Actually, I'm not able to figure out who and all are there. Sayan is there. Sayan, better tell me, are you okay with Sunday ka schedule and other days? If I change Saturday schedule, then it is fine for you?
Yeah, ma'am. Sunday is fine. Saturday time can be reconfirmed.
Saturday, what time can you come?
Evening.
Evening from what time?
So my class, like I'll come back by like 3:30 and I can reach Athletic by 4:15.
At 5 only, no? You mean to say 5
4:30
o'clock?
is fine. 4:30.
Yeah,
is fine.
5 will be fine.
Okay.
No,
Okay, I will check that. If not Saturday, then I have to accommodate these on. Then we can do one thing, guys. We can make this test day Saturday. Is it fine? Test लिख सकते हो Saturday को फिर.
हाँ मैं
हाँ, because test also 3 tests will be there. Those who have taken PCM, those who have taken PCMB, उनके लिए 4 टेस्ट रहेगा. So then you complete your tests on Saturday. Sunday को I have to take classes, or maybe I can increase hours on Sunday. Okay, weekend I think would be good for you.
Sunday.
Other days, so far Tuesday physics is on Tuesday 7 to 9 p.m. Thursday, that means today 5 to 6 p.m. Chemistry Saturday, which I have kept 11 to 1. That I will try to make on Sunday. Can I make it like, can I increase some hours on Sunday
fine.
then?
Yeah, that's fine.
That is fine. Or I can increase hours on other weekdays also. Let me check. Okay, other weekdays are fine for you, right? You are not going any other classes, no?
Yeah, it should just not be before
Okay.
that time. Yeah.
And so फिर Saturday को Viva.
हाँ.
Viva is compulsory. Whatever topics we are completing, Viva के बिना नहीं चलेगा.
हाँ.
और तीनों सब्जेक्ट का, फिजिक्स,
चारों.
केमिस्ट, चारों. हाँ, बाकी मैथ्स में तो खैर फार्मूलाज ही पूछेंगे सर.
ओह ठीक है.
ज़्यादातर मतलब बायो में तो पूरा प्रॉपर वाइवा चाहिए. एंड फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री ऑल्सो. जब तक वाइवा नहीं लूँगी मुझे नहीं समझ में आएगा तुमने क्या प्रिपेयर किया है. Okay, so Saturday को वाइवा एंड टेस्ट सीरीज आई एम कीपिंग आफ्टर 4 o'clock is fine. Actually any time, those who are willing to come in the afternoon or morning hours, just let me know. I will conduct.
He has a school.
Even if
Alternate
yeah,
Saturdays.
most of them have school, so.
Alternate Saturdays are there.
Hmm.
Second
No,
and
so
second
then
and
also I can't keep, no, because
no,
others,
we
yeah.
have to adjust that. But I think you keeping the test and Viva Saturday. probably-
This Saturday is fine for you.
Yeah.
ये Saturday को तो आ रहे हो ना?
No, I have school this Saturday.
I won't be there over
When are you coming back?
17th of November.
16th, I mean 15th night.
So even online also not possible? Okay.
The traveling.
You are going to some remote area or
Yeah, the
something?
vacation thing is
Hmm.
going.
Okay. ठीक है, no
Traveling
problem.
Mostly.
Okay, others.